Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a room tour of the Super 8 in Orlando, Florida. This is the Super 8 close to Universal, just off International Drive. This is the 2-queen bedroom, non-smoking. We got some nice Florida pictures on the wall. 2 queen beds. A little rack for your luggage. A desk with a chair. Flat screen TV, mirror on the wall, mini fridge and microwave, a little closet, in-room safe, and your bathroom area. The sink is outside of the restroom. Another view of the room from here. 2 queen size beds, nightstand, telephone. And now we'll continue into the restroom. And you have a toilet and shower tub combination. That's going to complete the room tour for the Super 8. Thanks for watching my channel.